How you doing, y'all? Welcome back. This is Windersranger. We're in Dade City today. We're going to do a little bit of train watching. We're going to sit and watch for a little bit, see what comes by train-wise, and just kind of make a day out of it. So here we go. Hope you enjoy. We start the day with what looks to be a high rail track inspector headed south past the Dade City train station.
X detector, milepost 836.5, track main 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 128. Detector out.
Not long after that, the radio comes to life with a defect detector at Vitus Junction, located at 836.9 milepost, with daily local L729 from Winston to Brown Sands, Georgia. Once L729 passed, all seemed quiet this Saturday morning. So for a change of scenery, we relocated to Vitus Junction. The line from Lakeland joins the line from Tampa and Plant City, both headed north through Dade City and then to points further north to places like Wildwood and so on. We sat at Vitus Junction for a while, and there was still no traffic, both on the rails or on the radio. So we picked up again and continued south, this time headed to the train viewing platform at the Plant City Museum. The Plant City Depot was built in 1909 and served an important role both to the Atlantic coastline and to the Seaboard Airline railroads for industries such as farming, lumber, phosphate mining, which still occurs today, passenger and mail services. The depot continued to operate and serve the local area up through the 1970s. The depot now serves as the Robert W. Williford Railroad Museum and train viewing platform. The museum is open Tuesdays through Saturday from 12 to 4 and is located at 102 North Palmer Street, Plant City. This day, because of the time we were there, we didn't go inside the museum due to it being closed still.
Yeah, I got you up there, Charles.
We did, however, catch Amtrak 91, daily passenger service from Washington, D.C. to Miami, with the stop that it's currently on its way to in Tampa. My understanding was Amtrak 91 was running a little late, and the engineer wasn't wasting any time getting through the diamond at Plant City. After Amtrak passed, we picked up and headed back north to Dade City, where we were able to catch M604 from Winston to Waycross, Georgia. did want to take a moment and thank the gentleman who turned in my camera that I mistakenly left on the platform in Plant City. Luckily, he had located it, realized that it was a fellow rail fanner like myself, and he took the camera and my tripod in and turned it into the museum staff. I realized I had forgotten it almost 2.5 hours later and was able to go back to the depot and recover it. And to you, sir, I want to genuinely say thank you. I wasn't really so concerned about losing the camera as I was losing the footage from this day and having captured the Amtrak train, which was my first, at the Plant City Depot. And again, I want to say thank you. Well, that's going to do it for us for today. I encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again on the next video in the next adventure. Until then, take care.